Yes, welcome to the next class, children. In the last class, we did up to 5th part of 6th question. Now we'll continue with 6th part. How to do 6th part? See, x is equal to 110 vertically opposite angle. Once you will get x, q will be equal to x, corresponding angle. That will also be 110. Then you can find z by linear pair. Once you will get z, z will be equal to p. That will be corresponding angle. So this side all the angles be found. Now come over here. Y is equal to 60 interior alternate. Once you will get 60, then 60 plus r is 180 degree. Clear? R will be 120. So if r is 120, t will be 120 vertically opposite angles. So same way here, how you can find x by linear pair? Their sum is 180 degree. You can find x. X will be equal to p. X will be equal to p interior alternate. If you get p, then q will be equal to 120 degree corresponding angle. Here 110 will be equal to k corresponding angle, and once you will get k plus z is equal to 120 degree. Clear? So this way you can find out z also. Children, here are the solution of 6th question, all the parts up to part number 12. Go through it and try to understand the questions. Children, before going to the solution, mark the angles I have already marked in the figure. Clear? So which angles were not there in the figure I marked? Clear? Mark these angles and then go through the solutions, otherwise you won't be able to understand. 7th question, 2 parts, try to do yourself. 8th question, you have to find the value of x. Very simple. What kind of angles they are? They are co-interior angles. Their sum will be equal to 180. You can easily find x. Here, no relation of 4x with 5x. But 4x and this angle, I marked it myself A. A will be equal to 4x interior alternate angles, and A plus 5x is 180 degree linear pair. Put value of A 4x. So from here value of x can be obtained. Now look here. Again, no relation of this angle and this angle. So let us mark this angle as A. A will be equal to x vertically opposite angle. A plus 4x is 180 co-interior. Sum will be 180 and you can easily find the value of x. In this, sum of this angle and this angle is 180. You can write here 2x plus 5, 3x plus 55 is equal to 180 degree co-interior angles. So value of x you can easily find out. Okay. Now in this question, this angle and this angle have no relation. So let this angle is angle A. So you can write angle A is equal to 3x plus 25. What is the reason? Vertically opposite. So we can write A plus 2x plus 20. What kind of angles they are? They are co-interior. So the sum will be equal to 180 degree. So value of A is 3x plus 25 plus 2x plus 20 is equal to 180. 3x plus 2x is 5x is equal to 180 minus 25 plus 20 is 45. So subtract it and find the value of x from here. Now in this figure, clear? See children, in this figure these are the two parallel lines, but common transversal is not there. So what you have to do? You have to construct a parallel line yourself which is parallel to both these pairs. Now I took this angle as A and this angle as B. Okay. Now can we write now, since these are the parallel lines and this is the transversal, angle A is equal to 6x corresponding angles. Same way, this is the pair of parallel line. So this angle will be equal to this angle corresponding angle. Clear? So A plus B is equal to 130 degree. A plus B is 130. 6x plus 4x is equal to 130. 10x is equal to 130 and x is 13 from here. Last question of this exercise, ratio of angle A is to B is given 1:2. Let A is equal to 1x, B is equal to 2x. So 1x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree linear pair. From here we got the value of x. If x is 60, meaning angle A is 1 into 60, 60 degree. Angle B is 2 into 60, 120 degree. Clear? A we got, B we got. Now by using the other properties like as vertically opposite corresponding, it's your wish. You can find all other angles of the figure. Clear? With this children, your 13th chapter is also over. I hope you all have understood. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.